Let's see how to connect the internet cable to a Chromebook. This is an Ethernet network adapter. An internet network adapter is required to connect to an internet cable. Connect the USB Type-C Ethernet network adapter to your Chromebook. My laptop's Wi-Fi is off. Now connect your USB Type-C Ethernet network adapter to your network cable. My laptop is showing a Wi-Fi network icon. Now let's check if my laptop has Wi-Fi internet or not. If your laptop doesn't have a Wi-Fi network, you can connect via the USB Type-C Ethernet network adapter.